If you want to extend a video in CapCut, there are a few easy ways to do it, and in this video I'm going to walk you through each one step by step. Whether you trimmed your clip too short, want to make it last longer on the timeline, or need a simple black screen at the end for a clean outro, this guide will help you do it fast. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. First, let's talk about the quickest method. If you previously cut the video and you still have extra footage available, move your mouse over the end of the clip in the timeline. As soon as your cursor changes, click and drag the edge of the clip outward. This extends the clip length, as long as there is more media available beyond the point where it was cut. This is the easiest way to make a clip longer without changing its speed or adding anything extra. Now, if dragging the edge doesn't help because the clip has already been trimmed to its full available length, you can use playback speed to make the video take up more time on the timeline. This works especially well if you want to slow down a scene and stretch it out a little. To do that, click on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. Once it's selected, look at the Properties panel in the upper right corner of the screen. In that panel, click on the Speed tab. Make sure Standard is selected because that's the normal speed mode you want for this adjustment. Then drag the speed slider to the left. For example, if you set it to 0.5x, the video will play at half speed, which makes the clip longer. If you lower it further to 0.25x, the clip becomes even longer on the timeline. This is one of the simplest ways to extend video duration in CapCut while also creating a slow motion effect. If your goal is not to slow down the footage, but just to fill extra time at the end of your video, another great option is to add a black screen. This is very useful for outros, end cards, or when you want a clean fade out at the end of your edit. To do this, go to the Media tab. Under Library, search for black screen, then choose Photos if that appears as the category. Once you find the black screen asset, drag it to the end of your timeline. After that, you can adjust its length by clicking and dragging the edge, just like you would with any other clip. This gives you a simple blank ending that can help your video feel more polished. So to quickly recap, if you already cut the clip and there's still extra footage, drag the end of the clip outward. If you want to stretch the time by making the clip play slower, select the clip, open speed, and reduce the speed. And if you just need more space at the end, add a black screen from the media library and extend it to the length you want. These three methods are super useful when editing in CapCut, especially if you're trying to make your video fit a certain length or create a smoother ending. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.